Hello everyone. Today's topic is language of chemistry. In this, what is a chemical reaction? Chemical reactions are the processes in which new substances with new properties are formed. You can see it in this way that reactant is converted to product in certain conditions. So reactant is converted to product. The substance which take part in the reaction is called reactant, and the new substance which is formed is known as product. Example, burning of magnesium ribbon. You can see that a magnesium is burned, and at the end magnesium oxide is obtained. So magnesium burns in the presence of oxygen and formation of magnesium oxide. So reactant is converted to product in certain conditions. Magnesium plus oxygen gives magnesium oxide. So this is a chemical reaction in which these are the reactants and this is the product. The burning of magnesium take place in presence of oxygen. What are the important characteristics of a chemical reaction? First, evolution of a gas, change in color, formation of precipitate or you can say PPT, change in temperature, change in smell, change in taste. These are the very important characteristics or you can say the identification method that a chemical reaction is occurring. Here you can see that in case of change in color, some chemical reactions are like when citric acid react with potassium permanganate, purple color of the potassium permanganate solution disappear. So this is the example of change in color. Formation of precipitate. What is the precipitate? A precipitate is a solid product. You can see that the part which is insoluble, the part which is insoluble in the solution and it is left in the bottom of the test tube is known as precipitate. So there are various reactions like chemical reaction between potassium iodide and lead acetate, formation of yellow PPT. Yellow PPT is formed. That is the potassium iodide. That PPT is of potassium iodide. Here you can see that there is other type of reaction, exothermic reaction. What is exothermic reaction? The reaction which take place with evolution of heat is known as exothermic reaction or you can say heat producing reaction. What is the example? When quicklime added to water, it is the example of exothermic reaction, that is change in temperature occur. Here see calcium oxide, when water is placed you will find that the beaker has become hot. The beaker has become hot because there is rise in temperature. Similarly, there is change in state when ice is heated. Ice is in solid state. When you are heating the ice, it will convert it to liquid. That is change of state. Ice will be converted to water. That is change in state. So these are the various changes which is occurring during a chemical reaction. In this, there is a summary for each and every reaction. First is, suppose evolution of gas, reaction is given, reaction of baking soda with vinegar, CO2 gas will be released. Change in state, burning of candle, candle burning is considered as change in state. Change in temperature, reaction of quicklime with water. Change in smell, heat dilute HCl with FeS, that is iron sulfide. You will hear that whenever heating dilute HCl with FeS, rotten egg smell will be there, that is smell of sulfide. Change in color, when citric acid react with KMnO4, then purple color is formed. PPT formation, formation of potassium iodide and lead acetate. These all are the characteristics of the chemical reaction. So, in a chemical reaction, formation of product occurs, reactant is converted to product. And what are the changes occurring in a chemical reaction? There will change in state, change in color, smell will be there. Either evolution of heat or absorption of heat may occur. So these are the method through which we can identify that a reaction is taking place. Now we will be discussing some more of the properties of a reaction which we used to see it in our daily life.